Many of these healthcare providers are becoming the first specialists in Gabon. This is history in the making, and we're all part of it. We are very proud of this outstanding milestone. The objective of our scholarship program is to contribute to advancing healthcare capacity with the aim to establish a strong platform of skilled and specialized healthcare providers across Gabon's public healthcare sector. In fact, our aim is to improve the overall healthcare and well-being of people by building healthcare capacity across Africa, Asia, and other developing countries. We are strongly committed to transforming patient care landscape through our programs. We believe that empowering people will lead to a better future. We also believe that good healthcare will transform the lives of individuals and families across the country.